People, why me so fast that me gone over Twitter, gone look for ableboss bum picture. Mighty gosh, why me do it drunk crow? People, if your stomach don't strong, please and thank you, do not go over there, go look on it. Hey, but me want to know why somebody would be so comfortable and so confident. You understand? And have so much trust into somebody to go send them something so sensitive. Yeah, because at the end of the day, as a media personality, a big media personality as that, you have to be careful what you release out there. And because at any time, anybody can get into them feelings and go decide, say, yeah, them are go do the things them, and them are go release the things them. So you have to be careful what you say and what you do with people. You can't too trust anybody. But anyway, for those of you out there who do not understand what is going on, apparently there's this lady by the name of Lady Louise. She was apparently ableboss big gifters, and she was gifting ableboss a lot, and ableboss and her had some kind of, arrangement allegedly. And apparently for ableboss go buy in BMW, me hear say word on the street allegedly is that Lady Louise sent him a portion of the money to buy him BMW, yeah, Benz, yeah, to buy it. You understand me? I try to say. So apparently from what I am gathering is like, yeah, ableboss, she, yeah, her heart, her feelings in it and everything, yeah. You understand? Because it takes a lot out of a woman for a woman to go send you so much money, because apparently them say word on the street allegedly like £60,000 the woman give him. Allegedly, me don't know that what the word on the street is. But anyway, me there, I may watch it, I may listen to it, I may say, oh, everything I try makes sense to me now. Because me I say, apparently, you see, sometimes Jamaican men out there, them want to basically, pimp out a woman pocket, them need a sympathy story. So me I say, everything I try makes sense to me now. So in my opinion, this is my opinion, I feel like you have to come up with some kind of sickness, some kind of sympathy thing. You understand what I'm trying to say? If you get somebody to release certain amount of funds. You understand? So me I wonder if, you understand, him tell the lady saying sick, you understand me, him have issues with him bum, and him send the picture proving that him have issues with him bum to make the lady, you understand, fuck out the money. Yeah, £60,000 allegedly. Yeah. So me I say, okay, everything makes sense now, but I'm like, why? Like, you never be a little bit smarter? Yeah, and go up on Google and take a picture and have a Google and give her an example instead of really and truly send him a real bum picture. You understand? Because allegedly, you understand, he have pile issues. So yeah, pile issues. So and then there's something there, and him want money to go do this surgery for the pile issues. Allegedly. That's the word on the street. Word on the street again, people, is that Queen Radio, which is a lady that do music on TikTok, them say Queen Radio allegedly is pregnant for ableboss. So if the man say Queen Radio is allegedly pregnant for ableboss, me here say word on the street allegedly is that Queen Radio is very upset because Lady Louise, yeah, the lady was sending 60,000, released all kind of voice note and ting with ableboss. I call her baby and honey bunch and sweetie pie. So this no look too right. But anyway, me look on Queen Radio page, and when I look on Queen Radio page, I say, wow, this lady is a very beautiful lady, shape good, face guard up, everything up. So me I say, what the lady them find interesting in ableboss to date ableboss, because ableboss been getting some nice looking ladies, So I'm like, what is so interesting about ableboss make all of these nice looking, sexy, body up lady looking But then when I sit and I think about it, me say, you know, say some women out there like comedians and like men who are funny and can make them laugh and jovial and all of these things. So maybe a personality, I don't know, you make me know how you feel about it in a comment section. You feel like say it's personality, or you feel like say it's a hype thing or it's a money thing, or yeah, so me interested. But me there, I mean I watch the mix up. I mean, I watch the blend. I mean, I watch everything unfold. But yeah, you can check it out. Like what I said, you can go over Twitter, tweet. Yeah, the tweeting bird. Go look and see the bum. Yeah, what I say. Make sure I say you don't eat, you don't dinner. Pick up on yourself. Peace. I'm out. Woo!